In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read candlestick charts, a fundamental skill for anyone interested in trading or understanding market trends. Candlestick charts are a powerful tool to visualize price movements over a certain period, whether it's for an hour, a day, or even longer durations. Let's dive into this important analysis method and uncover what each part of a candlestick signifies. First, let's talk about what a candlestick chart essentially represents. Each candlestick shows the price action, meaning the price movement, of an asset for a specific time frame, which you choose depending on the detail of analysis you require. This could be as short as a minute or as long as a month. The body of each candlestick delineates the range between the opening and closing prices within that time frame, providing a snapshot of how the asset's value changed during that period. Now, when you observe candlesticks, you'll notice that they come in different colors. Typically, a green or white candlestick indicates that the closing price is higher than the opening price, signifying an increase in value. In contrast, a red or black candlestick signals that the closing price is lower than the opening price, thus a decrease in value. The color coding provides a quick visual cue to ascertain whether the market is bullish or bearish for that duration. Besides the body, you'll see thin lines extending above and below the body, known as wicks or shadows. These wicks illustrate the highest and lowest prices reached during the selected time frame, which is crucial in understanding the volatility and extremes of market conditions. If you observe longer wicks, this typically suggests greater volatility during that period, even if the body may not reveal it. Furthermore, the length of a candlestick's body is equally telling. Longer bodies indicate strong buying or selling pressure. A longer green body, for instance, implies significant buying interest, while a long red body indicates strong selling activity. These lengths and the associated colors help traders quickly perceive market sentiment and potential price directions. Traders also pay attention to specific candlestick patterns such as dojis or hammers, which can hint at possible trend reversals or continuations. For instance, a doji creature suggests indecision in the market and can signal a potential change in the trend, while a hammer may suggest a reversal, particularly after a downtrend. Finally, while candlesticks offer insightful information on their own, they become even more powerful when combined with other indicators like volume and moving averages. These tools enrich your analysis and aid in making informed decisions. Volume, for example, can confirm the strength of a candlestick pattern. A substantial price move accompanied by high volume might suggest a more sustainable trend compared to similar price moves with low volume. Understanding candlestick charts is about gaining insight into market psychology through price actions and patterns. Use this knowledge as a starting point to deepen your analysis and make more informed trading decisions.